Okay, so we have added colors. Now we will mix. Okay, so we have done it. Now we will put wheat flour. Now we have done mixing. Now we will put coconut oil to avoid stickiness of the dough. And also coconut oil is antibacterial, so it won't get spoiled for 3 to 4 days. And after playing, we have to put the dough inside the fridge. Made homemade clay. Now we are going to make some shapes.
काय बोलू
अरे तू काय करतोय?
असं बोलू? कश्यप तू काय करतोय?
मी एक डायनासोर बनवतोय.
Dinosaur. Wow, that's scary.
तू बघते?
Yes, मी बघते.
तर मी तुरी मी तेरा ताला.
Oh, this is a cute dinosaur. आपण आता कलर करूया त्याला? Okay. गार्गी तू काय बनवते?
पिझ्झा.
Okay. Oh, it's a big pizza. And Gargi, are you ready with your pizza?
Yes.
Okay, and what are the toppings?
Capsicum, cheese, olives, and tomato.
Okay, we want to have a look.
Da-da-da!
Oh, wonderful. Nice. Nicely made.
Just pick a piece.
Oh, this is so nice. Thank you.
Welcome.
And Kashyap, what you have made?
Don't dinosaur.
Hey, oh. You're fighting on a dinosaur? Let me see your dinosaur. Wow. Good.
If you like our activity, so please like, share and comment.